Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to bookmark a page in Notability. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you've got some important pages that you'd like to bookmark in your notes so that you can get to them quickly and easily without having to scroll a lot. So I'll be showing you how to bookmark pages in Notability today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started in my document. And what you're going to do is you're going to click or tap on this icon here that's in the top right corner. And this should pop up where it's all the pages in the document. And you're essentially just going to tap on this little bookmark icon in the top right corner of the page. So if you tap on that, that should add that page to your bookmarks, and your bookmarks are over here. So if you tap that icon, you find any page that you've bookmarked. And that's essentially it. If you wanted to know how to bookmark pages in Notability, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.